Today we are going to read The Big Race, an Aesop fable, retold by David Edwin and illustrated by Logan Klein. "You're so slow," said the rabbit. "I can run faster than you can." "You can run faster than I can," said the turtle, "but I can win a race." "No, you can't," said the rabbit. "Yes, I can," said the turtle. "But you're so slow," said Rabbit. "But I can win the race," said Turtle. "See how slow you are," said Rabbit. "But I can win the race," said Turtle. Rabbit said, "I will stop and rest." Turtle said, "And I will win the race." And he did. The end.